1 minute.
Thank you, Chair. It is with sadness we see how the praised reformist agenda of Ethiopia is taking a serious hit. Reports of thousands of people fleeing from Tigray, hundreds of people being killed through machete massacres, along with federal planes bombing are deeply disturbing. And so is the ethnical targeted measures, hate speech and allegation of atrocities. It risks also to have a destabilizing effect on the broader region. This less than a year since Prime Minister Abiy got the Nobel Peace Prize. Nobel Peace Prize doesn't mean that one can start acting in contrary after receiving it. Both sides need to immediately end the violence and contribute to a peaceful solution. And international observers must be able to access Tigray region. It is a war crime to target civilians. Only solution forward is dialogue, including all the relevant actors. It is imperative that the country returns to the path towards a democratic and prosperous future, and the respect of human rights and are upheld and included the rule of law is the key. Thank you.
Mr. Stefanuta, 1 minute.
Thank you, Chair. Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed, if you're watching this, if your people are watching this, in a multi-ethnic state, no one should be allowed to have the upper hand. Ethiopia cannot be allowed to descend into a Yugoslav-type conflict. That is not the soul of your country. Mr. Abiy, you achieved a lot. You slashed corruption. You achieved for more democratic openness. But you have no excuse for driving 4,000 people a day across the border to Sudan. No excuse for not sitting at the table of the African Union and of the United Nations and not listening to the EU, for not allowing for humanitarian aid into Tigray, for not protecting people enough so that they have to flee Addis if on their ID happens to be the wrong ethnicity. The longer blood flows, the harder it is for peace to triumph. There is a point in a war where it is easier for people to revenge than to listen. Mr. Abiy, my colleague Mrs. Zovka reminded you of what you said last year. Let's step back from this ugly place. The European Union is here to help. Let's bring back construction. Let's bring back peace.